Pisces, the 12th sign in the zodiac, hypothetical ecliptic drawn by us from the viewer's point of view, is a watery sign, dual in nature. North direction is female. Brahman, the teacher, preacher, is the caste. It is diurnal, powerful during the day. And the sign given to the Pisces are two fishes in opposite direction, one tail and the one mouth to each other. Violet is the color, rather the color of a topaz. The persons born in this sign are fair, middle-sized, not too tall, not too small. Fine body, rather large body. Prominent nose, proportionate limbs, speaking eyes, bright eyes. Round shoulders, broad belly, silky but dark hairs. The positive traits of Pisceans are good human beings, passionate, nature lovers, religious, sometimes to the level of superstition, very orthodox, learned, grateful, artistic nature, sympathetic, can see the future, adaptable, intuitive powers, easily impressed by the surroundings around or the feelings of the others, accepts the emotions and sentiments. It may be crocodile tears, but accepts the positive traits of the other person. Because of their natural psychic nature, sometimes negatively they are very superstitious, becomes the wicked-minded also. Sometimes they teach and preach wrong interpretation of the religious books. The body parts are feet and the lower part of the feet, rather fingers of your feet. Because of the dual nature of the sign, they normally suffer from the waterborne diseases as it's a watery sign. And due to the direction north, lack of oxygen in the body, sometimes tuberculosis also. Bilious in nature, stomach upset, constipation, insanity and insomnia. By profession they are astrologers, spiritual healers, working in hospitals, in the sports staff. They can even be opening hospitals and like institutions for the charity. Intoxicants, alcohol, whatever is mixed with moon and the Mars, earning money through women and intoxicating people. They are very good event management people also, good caterers, good cooks also, working in dramas, traditional dramas, and few Pisceans I have seen a good historians too. According to the Western school of thought, Pisces as per their sun sign runs from 20th of February to 20th of March. The symbol denoted by the two fishes into the different directions. Unlike the Gemini, which is a dual sign, Pisces is a dual sign, is watery sign, but the two fishes in different directions show up the stream and down the stream, right from the depth of the ocean to up in the ocean. They are up and down, rarely reaches the heights, not born to be a king. Would never love to talk about the President of India, but the richest man in the world, but love to talk about the neighbors, their problem. Maximum reaches, not even to themselves, but the people around, though they go very deep into the waters, but love to remain in the shallow waters. Enjoys, comes to the world for a very small time, breathe and goes back to their home in the water. Two eyes, looking right and left, but cannot look ahead. So far-sightedness is there. They can listen to any senses happening in the depth of the earth like tremors, but rarely bothers, feels the trouble of others. The true Pisceans, denoted as fish, are lovable creatures, short-lived, food for others, delicious food for others, more delicious after they are no more breathing on this earth, remembered for a longer time, tasted for a longer time, never bothers about their own system, about body, but bothered about the others. Approach is very narrow. Good planners can plan for others. For themselves, there is no planning. Does not love to work hard in life, love to work for others, and even forget what have you done for others. If you are hurt for a small time, even bigger daggers can't cut you, can't cut your soul. Loves to be cut. You always have the forgiveness and again sailing in the same waters. The pain others have given you. You are always a good food for your own people. You never keep yourself aware also of them. You make your own way. You walk in your own way. You don't trouble others. And others trouble you. And even if you become food for them, you are happy with it. Deep intuitive powers, knows what's happening around, can act and react, can become volatile, but not in your nature. Loves to go up again, breathe a little and forget. Passion and compassion are the two foremost qualities of Pisces. Speak less also, enjoying with your own people. Can't live without your own world, which nature has created for you. Even if you are going for a walk, instead of bothering for your health or doing a walk for your body, you watch nature, the beauties of the nature. Look at the sky and again look at the earth. Does not look straight. Eyes always looking left and right, see others, but doesn't look forward for yourself. Imaginative. Imaginations are immense. Never have the bigger dreams. If somebody says you want to be a millionaire, you will always say, no, I am satisfied where I am. If you want to be, I can help you out. Will never love, though you are a watery sign, but never love to take lot of food and lot of water. Just 1 cup of tea is enough in a day. Not a regular drinker. Alcohol once in blue moon. You know the life, you know the past life. You can know what's going to happen tomorrow. But you rarely bother. You find the life in real sense, in practical sense, that this is nothing going to be like an earth or an air or a water, mixture of the Cancerians and the Scorpions, both watery sign. If lot of debates are going on, lot of discussions are going on, you are in the mute form. Rarely express your opinions, though you understand the gist of it. The body system is such, apart from the small diseases in life, you rarely get some big diseases because you know how to bring out your negative thoughts in the air, in the water, and remain healthy for your body and soul. That's why your body remains disease free. Humor and style, also one of your very good qualities. The Pisces men are not weak. They are imaginative, knows their responsibilities, the demands of the family, maybe any. He fills his stomach with a small food. The responsibilities taken by him are fulfilled, but at a very slow pace, in his own style. Loves sex, but in a very private place. Never discusses his private life with anybody. And he loves his partner also in the same way. Loves children, nurtures them. Any emotional relations with them, they throw them into the deep waters to flow themselves and find their own way. Most of the Pisceans are astrologers with intuitive powers, can be clairvoyants, and believe up to the level of superstitions, and always find their life as per the stars, believes in fate, but as far as deeds are concerned, they are very dedicated as per the worldly affairs. Though a family person believes in the family, doesn't love to go out for outing much, for shopping much, but unnecessarily going into the superstitious values. But like the golden fish, they love to their own praise from the other's mouth. It may be their husband, their father, mother or children, the tidiness, the cleanliness at home. If you don't praise how she is maintaining the home, I think she is your best enemy.